Who doesn't like smoked chicken? We're going to do something a little bit different today. Smoked Caesar chicken. First thing I'm going to do is cut this backbone out of this chicken. Just turn it around, get both sides. Now, you've probably heard this term called spatchcocking it. That's what they call it. Got our backbone out. Then we gotta cut a little bit more right here. Then we're just gonna split it open. Just like that. It makes it cook a lot quicker if you've never used this technique. All right, see how it's gonna be uniformly thick. Now for my binder, just gonna use a little Caesar salad dressing. You could use mayonnaise if you wanted, but it's gonna be chicken Caesar. So I'm going to use this Caesar salad dressing. Again, the brand doesn't matter. I would suggest buying what you get a good deal on. Now to season this chicken, I like to use this Sazón Goya. If you don't have this or if you don't want to buy it, you can use salt and pepper. It's relatively inexpensive. You can get it at the grocery store. It's got this great flavor. Also, hopefully you can see that it's got this nice orange-like color. So this chicken is going to look pretty incredible. Turn it over. Can't tell you how good this is for the price point. I mean, it hardly costs nothing. Of course, like I said, you can use salt and pepper if that's what you want to use. Just want to make sure you get seasoned up all over, right underneath here, under these wings. Turn it around here. Get this last quarter, then we'll let it sit here while we get our grill ready. You can see how it gives that chicken just a beautiful color, orangish red color, just sitting here. Now I've already got the charcoal lit on this grill. We're going to cook around 250 to 270 today. Let's go over and finish getting this grill ready. Let's get this lid up. I've got these Jack Daniel's wood chips today, whiskey barrel smoking chips. Just gonna put a few of those around it. Right, get our plate set around. We want to cook this indirect. If you're using a pellet grill, put it on the opposite end of the fire. And then I'm going to get my grill grate in here. Let the smoke die down just a little bit and get our lid down. It's been 90 minutes. This chicken is not ready. I just want to show you what it's looking like. Let's get this lid up. Now I want you to look at the color of this chicken. That's from that Sazón. Let's get the lid back down. 1/3 cup Caesar dressing. This is 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. It's kind of hard to get out of there, but we're going to use that to stir it up here. 1 teaspoon of dried garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. We just want to mix this up real well. Now, let's get back over to that chicken. It's been 15 more minutes, 1 hour, 45 minutes total. I'm just going to paint this chicken up with this sauce. All right, this glaze, whatever you want to call it. This Caesar dressing we made up. Now I'm going to need to get this lid closed pretty quick. You can see I'm getting the flare up down below. Right, you don't have to worry about the back side, the bottom side. Let me get this last little wing here. Don't worry, this sauce, this glaze, this Caesar, whatever you want to call it, color is going to get a lot better when we get this lid back down. It's been another 15 minutes. We're looking at 2 hours total. Let's have a look at this chicken. That lid. Now let's check the temperature of this chicken. It's been 2 hours. You can see we're getting pretty close. Let me check another part here in this other breast. Right about 158. We want to get it up to about 163. I mean, the government says 165. You get up to 163, it'll usually creep up 2 degrees. We'll get this lid down, let it go just a few minutes more, and it'll probably be ready. While this chicken is sitting here, just for looks, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of that grated fresh Parmesan on it. What would really be nice also is if you had some chives or some parsley, but I forgot to get some at the grocery store. Now we'll let this chicken sit here 10 to 15 minutes and rest. It's going to finish coming on up to temperature, and then we'll do a taste test. You see that chicken is 164.6. It's going to creep up. Look, 164.8 as it's been resting here. It's going to be 165. There you go. Here's what our chicken's looking like. The skin looks good. Nice collar. Let's see. Look how it just comes apart. All right. There it is. The chicken is juicy on the inside. Now I just want to cut into this chicken breast. I've always been a breast guy. If you watch my chicken videos, you know. It is super hot still, even though it's been sitting here for 10 minutes. Ouch, 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 ouch. You can see the juice there on the outside. I hope you can see it anyway. I didn't cut it good. The skin came off. Let's give it a try. Here we go. It is so juicy and flavorful. Let's have a piece off that chicken quarter where the dark meat is. It's even juicier. You saw how easy it was. I've got 2 more chicken videos right down below.